Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, we are going to see about our review and preview of the market. So let us get into our review and preview.
So, all right, guys, as we can see from Nifty, today the market has come down and we just entered back into the sideways market. So, as you can see, this was a huge sideways momentum in Nifty, and today we just came back inside the sideways market. As you can see, it just came back, gave a retest, and we may expect a little bit of downtrend up to 15,610. But whether it is an overall downtrend, no. It's just a 1 hour downtrend, which is just a correction for the uptrends. For example, let's say the weekly chart and the daily charts are showing a strong bullish move. Since the market moved a huge way up, so it's just giving a little bit of correction in the market. But the overall trend is still in a buy. But we may expect a little bit of correction in the coming days. But need not panic. But this is an overall buy trend, and just look out for the correction and take your positions according to that. And next, coming to Bank Nifty. So as you can see, Bank Nifty has broken the trend line, and now we are at the 38 to 50% retracement level in the Bank Nifty levels. We may expect up to 61.8 if the market goes a little bit bearish, but if the market is able to go for a trend reversal from here, we may expect a target of 35,900 and 36,500 in the coming days. So Bank Nifty looks good, and since the trend has been completely broken and it's a buy trend now, it's just a correction, need not panic. The overall trend for Bank Nifty is still in buy. We are going to expect momentum in the coming days for 36,500. So that will be the target for Bank Nifty. And then coming to gold, and even gold is in a sideways market. So as we see from the last time, the low is not able to break, gold is not able to break the low. So we may expect a sideways correction again, and if the support level at this level holds, we may expect it to go upwards as well. So gold is still in a sideways market. And coming to crude oil, US oil, even US oil is in a good buy trend. The overall target for crude oil will be $74, and today is just a little bit of corrections. So crude oil is in a good buy trend. We may expect a little correction, but the overall trend is in buy. So for a long-term investors who are going to try to buy in crude oil, it's a good buying opportunity. And every time the market comes down, we can take it as a opportunity to buy. All right. So that is for the review and preview today. Thank you.
So alright guys, so these are the scripts we have seen from our review and preview. So let us hope for the best in our next week's trading. So I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.